Ayan, magla-live selling tayo soon. Pamain ako mangga. Pamain ako ng mangga for only $2. Yes, $2 is ito. Isang kilo ng mangga, $2. For shipping fee, available kay Kibrang, di ba lang? Ayan mo to, ACS is still playing on your video. Ayan, together with Paul and Poldenham. Ayan, mega love shout out sa ating lahat mo to ACS. May put mo to ACS. Ayan, bring down the link. You got my love. Oh, me too. I got laughing if you give me ads. Please give me ads. Give me ads, please. Because I will buy. Wata. Ayan, Wata. May kalap shoutout. Kibrang Barang Yuta. Wata, I will give you a moderator. Ayan, Wata. Wata. Tami na. Waka. Tami na. Waka. Tami na. Africa. I love dalawang harang when I come to your live. Thank you so much, Poldenham, for your very support. Ayan, guys. Pobre Manglalakbay TV, magparamdam ka. Kibrang, di ba lang yuta ka? Nasaan ka na? Ayan. Boom, charat. Ayan, boom, charat. Boom, charat. Boom, charat. Boom, charat. Boom. Boom, tarat. Boom, tarat. Boom, tarat. Tararat. Boom. Ayan, with a grateful from Anna Fisher from Wata. Ayan, thank you so much, Wata. Walang anuman, sabi ni Polden. Yes, if I'm not mistaken, this is your first time to visit me on my live and alive. Ayan, even though I will visit you every time you upload, you're very informative and very engaging and very that's why I love Poldenham all the way from USA, and I thank you. And thank you. I see some of your pusa video. Yes. I have a pusa here. Ako British taga France. Wow. Ayan, mega love shout out to all the friends out there in British France. Ayan. This is in Dayani, ang reyna ng inyong mga tahanan. Live. And live. Ayan, together with our listeners. Ayan. Wata, bring down link, guys. Please connect to Wata. Wata. How are you, Wata? Wata. How are you, Wata? Where are you from? Ako 59 and I'm living in France 33 years ago. Oh. So long time ago, living in France, a very beautiful, nice country. 59 years old. Ayan, Poldenham. Oh, you look young. Even though you are 59 years old, you look young. You look great. You have a very good heart, because every time you go on my live and Thank you so much for joining us. What I will go to you. Philippines is a beautiful country. Yes. You come and visit here in the Philippines and you go to Boracay. And of course to here in Ilocos. Ayan, Wata Poldenham, please support from Wata, di Kibrang, di Balang Yuta. Ayan, mega love shout out po sa inyong lahat. Ayan, happy lang po tayo dito.